Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to organize complex projects with Claude project folders. So guys, just as always, open up your Claude dashboard page layout, and you can look at your left sidebar right here, navigation deck. You can left click on the projects tab right over here, and then hit the prominent create project button. Up with your mouse, new project. And now you can type in a clear high signature name for your project and provide a brief description as well right below it. And after that, just create a project with this button. Then once your project container opens up, you can look over at the right hand side panel. This is your project knowledge base. This space acts as a permanent repository for all your background assets. You can click the file upload zone and dump in your primary project dependencies, for example API documentations, schemas, corporate style sheets, or content outlines. And Claude will instantly parse these documents and freeze them into its memory pool. Every single brand new chat you launch inside this specific project folder automatically inherits this background data from millisecond 1, completely eliminating repetitive onboarding prompts. So pretty much folders exist for your convenience so that you can keep a certain context of your projects, right, of your chats in one place so that you don't have to remind AI of what it has to remember. As you can see, memory is always going to be used in this particular folder. If you want to change the folder or project, go projects, choose, for example, have this test, and as you can see, this is a different one. So that's how you work with convenience and comfort, guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.